childish Gambino, yeah, my voice is annoying. So I don't talk, I let the streets talk for me. Yeah, these girls crazy, half got children. I hate the ex-boyfriends, call them Scott Pilgrim. I'm fucking girls I really shouldn't be fucking with, but if we get caught, we just hand it off to our publicist. Plus I hang with some of their ex-boyfriends. What can I say? I make bad choices. Cul-de-sac drop, day one, 5 figures. Fish fry, nigga, fry mine bigger. Still unsigned fans saying, what's the holdout? When every show you've ever done's been sold out. I always wondered what this Hollywood would do to me. Who's that rapping? Yo, it's Troy from Community. Fuck that, man, dude, you lying like a motherfucker. Besides, the beat's real good, but the lyrics suck. Well, I made the beat too, yeah, soak it in. I'm a phenom, nigga, where the fuck you been? People say that I should be more humble, and I hope they understand that they don't listen when you mumble. And it only takes a lie to make a dynasty crumble. That's why I catch feelings and these other dudes fumble. I'm not playing, this music's something that I care about. I take your shit to the streets, watch me air it out. Get the check, deposit the shit at Maxfield. Feeling myself, I don't even need an X bill. I wish you do a funny rap like SNL did. If I don't take myself serious, who the fuck else will? And to the critics with reviews that were more than sour, is it strange having jobs I can do tomorrow? You bitches don't like shit and it's kinda sad. I like food, sex, clothes, watching Breaking Bad. I'm something that these cool kids never really had. That's why these nerdy kids gon' find me on the internet. I wanna be different, I wanna do it good. Not another actor turned rapper in movies out the hood. Niggas say they want the real to get mad when they hear that truth. Please forgive them, Father, but they're not knowing what they do. I make this music so these younger dudes don't have to choose. Trying to hate me means you really hate you. Life goes fast and I'm holding on tight. I let things go and I'm holding this mic. And it's 6 in the morning, I've been writing all night. If I keep on going, I'm hoping I might be untouchable. 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 My dad called saying, son, are you okay? I just listened to the last on your mixtape. Dad, I'm fine, you just need to understand. When I'm rapping on a track, that's exactly who I am. And to all my smart friends saying, I really liked your album, dude, but you could be the next Most Def if you wanted to. Dear friends, I respect your responses, but my life is a dream, so I rap unconscious. I'm sorry guys, I hope I didn't let you down. I rap what I know, I hope the fans will work it out. Not conceited, but singer trying to lay low. No drugs, I'm just trying to tell yay yo. Online dudes shouting that they're better than me. I'm doing 3 other jobs, bitch, you better be. Cause if you're trying really hard, that's embarrassing. I won't stop until I'm fucking running everything. The more I rap, the more I'm harder to follow. I get a text from Questlove, I gotta call him tomorrow. Coming harder than other dudes, it's harder to swallow. That I'm blowing up 13 Mission Apollo. Fuck niggas who doubted me, eat your words, it's a feast. Cause I used to hear Nas all the time like police. Fuck the old Donald Glover, yeah, I'm glad he's deceased. Cause that sad weak bean's been replaced with a beast. Life goes fast and I'm holding on tight. I let things go and I'm holding this mic. And it's 6 in the morning, I've been writing all night. If I keep on going, I'm hoping I might be untouchable. Untouchable. Untouchable.